So we need to prove the following. Let us begin. So we'll start the problem from the left hand side. So here we have cosine cubed theta multiplied to sine 3 theta added to sine cubed theta times cosine of 3 theta. So what we'll do, we'll try to simplify cosine cubed theta and sine cubed theta because there is a standard formula. We know that cosine of 3 theta, so that's given by 4 times cosine cubed theta minus 3 times cosine theta. Now what we'll do, we can rewrite the terms as 4 times cosine cubed theta equals to cosine of 3 theta added to 3 times cosine theta. Dividing each terms by 4, so we have cosine cubed theta equivalent to 1 over 4 times cosine 3 theta added to 3 over 4 times cosine theta. So this is the value that we'll use in place of cosine cubed theta. So we'll have 1 over 4 times cosine of 3 theta added to 3 over 4 times cosine theta whole multiplied to sine 3 theta. Now in the next term we have sine cubed theta. So there is a formula for sine of 3 theta as well. So sine of 3 theta, that's given by 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cubed theta. Now if we isolate 4 sine cubed theta, so 4 sine cubed theta will be equals to 3 times sine theta minus sine 3 theta. So dividing each terms by 4, so sine cubed theta will then become equals to 3 over 4 times sine theta minus 1 over 4 times sine 3 theta. So we're going to use this particular value in place of sine cubed theta. So we get 3 over 4 times sine theta minus 1 over 4 multiplied to sine 3 theta. So this gets multiplied to cosine of 3 theta. So that means now we have 1 over 4 times cosine of 3 theta multiplied to sine of 3 theta added to 3 over 4 times cosine of theta times sine of 3 theta. Then we have 3 over 4 times sine of theta times cosine of 3 theta minus 1 over 4 times sine of 3 theta times cosine of 3 theta. Now what we can do, we can cancel out the first term and the last term. Now we are left with the second and the third term. So here we can take 3 over 4 as the common factor. So 3 over 4 gets multiplied to sine 3 theta times cosine theta added to cosine of 3 theta times sine theta. Now this is a standard formula that will be equals to 3 over 4 times sine of angle 3 theta plus theta. So 3 theta plus theta, that's 4 theta. So we get 3 over 4 times sine of the angle 4 theta, which is the expression on the right hand side. Thus, we have successfully showed that the left hand side of the expression equals the right hand side. Hence proved.